Instead of merging nonprofit organizations, what options are available? I'm Aaron Hall. You can learn more about me at aaronhall.com, and please read the disclaimer below this video. What are some alternatives to merging nonprofit organizations? Well, sometimes organizations realize they want to work together, but they're not quite sure what to call it. Options might include a partnership, which is sometimes called a joint venture, or perhaps a license. You license a brand or you license some curriculum to the other organization. Or perhaps even a franchise model, where one nonprofit is the franchisor with a brand, perhaps some curriculum or products or services, some rules, some structure, some systems, and then other nonprofits pay a fee to the franchisor nonprofit for this. Franchises are fairly rare in the nonprofit world, but they do exist and they are permitted. So instead of merging a nonprofit organization with another, you might consider them partnering together. A partnership or a joint venture can look all sorts of different ways. It could be very integrated, or it could be just help working occasionally on different items. What's important to keep in mind is that in a partnership or a joint venture, both parties are liable for the acts of the other. That means the first nonprofit organization and the second nonprofit organization are both liable if something goes wrong or one of their volunteers hurts somebody in one of their activities. So you may want to consider, is that appropriate for us? Do we have insurance for that? Now, there are ways around that. You can set up an LLC. You can have some contract that says, look, this isn't a joint venture. We're each doing specific roles, and we're going to handle liability in that way. So there are a variety of options available. This is a cursory or summary review of those. An attorney who's familiar with corporate law and nonprofit law is often able to talk you through these sorts of issues and figure out, based on your circumstances, what is the best legal configuration. To learn more about merging nonprofits, click on my other videos or visit aaronhall.com.